What's up guys, in this video I'm going to break down rejection candles and wick fills. Firstly, what is a wick? A wick shows the distance that price has moved on either side of a candle's body, and 80% of candles have top and bottom wicks. What is a rejection candle? Rejection candle is a candle that pushes strongly in one direction but then reverses the move, leaving a long wick and a smaller body. The candle can be either bullish or bearish. They're usually formed after news and increased volume enters the market, and or when a key level has been retested, like a support or resistance level. What is a wick fill? A wick fill occurs when one candle closes creating a wick and the next candle continues in the same direction, either filling the range of the wick or continuing past it. The filled wicks can be long or short in length. So how do you know when you have a rejection candle or a potential wick that can be filled? There are a few things to consider: the trend, the length of the wick, the time frame of the potential wick fill, and momentum. The time frame of the wick fill. Smaller time frame wicks are filled more frequently. I use them for structure and trade entries. I use higher time frame wicks for targets and confirmation of the overall trend. Say the current trend is bullish and this is how the last 4-hour candle has closed. I'm anticipating that the next 4-hour candle will also be bullish to continue the trend. In order to confirm this, the lower time frame candles should continue bullish structure as well. 4-hour candles are formed by 8 30-minute candles. As the 30-minute candles are forming, they could create a support, and I would expect the previous 4-hour low to be respected and not broken. Then a resistance, and another support and higher low, and then we have the 4-hour wick fill and continuing trend. Look at this example of 4-hour candles and 30-minute candles side by side. As the 4-hour candles are printing bullish, notice how the 30-minute candles are creating bullish structure as price pushes up. This is when you can expect wick fills. The trend and length of the wick. Say the trend is overall bullish and market structure is in an uptrend, but news comes out and price drops bearish, retesting a key level and retracing, leaving a rejection wick. As a confirmation that this is a rejection, you would see the candles continue to trend bullish, respecting the low of the bottom wick and not breaking the highs. I'm going to use Feb US CPI as an example. The overall trend on gold was bullish and the 4-hour candles were pulling back from the highs. The 4-hour candles are trending down, respecting highs, breaking lows. After the news, the candles tapped a 4-hour key level area and rejected it. The 4-hour candle ended up closing as a rejection candle because it has a long bottom wick, a short body, and a short top wick. The 30-minute candle has also created a strong support. Notice how the next 4-hour candle respected the previous low and broke the high. This reduced the probability of the 4-hour bottom wick getting filled, and now the 30-minute candles are trending up. The 4-hour candles are also trending up in line with the overall bullish trend. Lastly, momentum. After volume enters the market and you see a strong candle closure, the next candle might close with a weak body and long wick. In this case, there's a high probability that the wick will be filled, especially if it's in the direction of the overall trend. I call this a continuation pattern. You'll see this happen over and over again at the start of a big move. Look at a few examples of this pattern. Now you should have an understanding of rejection candles, what they look like and when they can happen, after news or retests of key levels, using the lower time frame to anticipate higher time frame wick fills and following the trend. Put this together with support and resistance levels and it should make chart analysis a lot easier. Let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. Also hit subscribe and join me on the daily live streams when I put all of this into practice.